We're courtside with your PC audio, and right now it's in a scoring slump. Let's get that Windows sound firing again like a hot shooting guard. First possession, check the basics. Look down to the bottom right of your screen, click that little speaker icon, and make sure the volume slider isn't dragged to the basement. No mute symbol, no muted knob on your speakers or headset, everything turned up and ready to play. Now we run play number 2. Right-click that same speaker icon, head into Sound Settings, and under Output pick the device you're actually using, those speakers, those headphones. Hit Test. If you hear that chime, you've got a live player on the floor. Still nothing? Time to check the volume mixer. Right-click the speaker icon, open Volume Mixer, and look at each app, your browser, your music player. Any one of those sliders hiding on mute can sideline your sound, even when the main volume looks fine. If the drought continues, we restart the audio brain. Hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, open Task Manager, go to Services, find Windows Audio, right-click, and hit Restart. Give it a beat, then try some music. Last play, the driver. Right-click Start, open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Update that main audio device, or uninstall it and reboot so Windows draws up a fresh one. And just like that, your sound is back on the scoreboard.